Abusia amu akwaba emfamra ya channel we so da roma se unya ebepie mu ewo ya channel yi so a na subscribe wala like na fi wasan ahye amam na bema TV ensam a etwegu ewa abefo ntintan fidi kese nso no etoda ohun bia wontimi ente ase wodwen ho wonte ase wote ase nso kura na enye yi yesanse ya no bibu sese abefo ntintan fidi no o my Ghana dia ana yewi ase afa na yina da edia hwe ma me no mbon kontin na enkohwe de ekoso and
Dr. Bawumia is making his way through a crowd, followed immediately by his wife, Mrs. Samira Bawumia.
And he's exchanging pleasantries with colleagues who he contested the presidential candidature with. Isn't this beautiful? A party united, a party bold and strong. Give us a wave of your Ghana flag wherever you are.
Your Excellency, our beautiful First Lady, Mrs. Rebecca Kufour, Your Excellency, the Vice President, the man of the moment, Bawumia, and our Second Lady, party elders, party members. Somehow Kufour picked the same young man to be his running mate. Till then, Bawumia was not even in the main stream of party. He was a party man, all right, but behind the scenes. So he picked him, and of course there were some surprises. People expressed misgivings. I thought of it, and then at a party meeting in the Aliza Hotel, I remembered my first meeting with this young man in London, and what I told him. Then it dawned on me again to more or less prophesy. I appealed to the party just to accept this man to carry on, man of destiny. To find our way out of the confusion our society and economy have been plunged into. I wouldn't blame any side. Look at the track records of all the parties. I tell you, you can't find one that can say that in their time they were excellent or superb. No. We are in a new situation, and I believe the saying that cometh the man is now. Has come for this man. And I like the theme that is posted against the wall. Look at behind the lectern there. Bold solutions for the future. Without the preparations I've talked about, understanding the new technologies and knowing and really committed to your nation to secure a decent and dignified niche in the global context, for that is geopolitics. Without them, I tell you, we will continue to wallow. So I'm witnessing that it seems, look at the field or the arena of presidency now, it seems this man, destiny for this time, Ghana. I'm appealing to the whole nation to give him the chance to come. I have a feeling I have a very strong feeling of the moment, and Ghana must accept him. So this is it. Thank you very much.
A big applause for Excellency the former President John Agyapong Kufour, and that's a handshake of blessing. Ladies and gentlemen,
the depreciation of the cedi under our government is lower than that we inherited from the 2013 to 2016 period. Let me talk about jobs. What is probably the most remarkable development in terms of the economy is that our government has created 2.1 million jobs between 2017 and 2022, notwithstanding the global economic crisis. The public sector recruited 1.2 million people, while the private sector created 975,000 jobs, according to SNIT data. We recruited 100,000 more health workers, 100,000 more teachers, we more than doubled the fire service personnel, and so on. Our government clearly has created more jobs in the last 7 years than any other government in the Fourth Republic. This is truly remarkable under the circumstances, even though we still have to create more jobs. Ladies and gentlemen, clearly, notwithstanding the economic crisis, this government has been able to steer the ship of the nation away from catastrophe. In the face of the crisis, overall performance of the economy in areas such as GDP growth, agricultural growth, industrial growth, trade balance, gross international reserves, and job creation has demonstrated resilience. Ladies and gentlemen, available data also shows that notwithstanding the challenging economy we inherited and the global economic crisis that ensued, government has chalked a large number of achievements across the country. Due to the constraints of time, I will only be able to enumerate a few of these achievements. However, government will soon outdoor our performance tracker in the next few weeks, which will detail all of our achievements in every sector and every district in the Republic of Ghana. But I'll name just a few of the achievements. We have undertaken a major roads construction and rehabilitation program across the country, over 11,674 kilometers of roads according to data from the Ministry of Roads and Highways. I am not aware of any government that has done as much in the road sector since 1992. We have initiated and overseeing the construction and rehabilitation of more railways than any other government since 1992. Achimota in Sawam, Accra Tema, Kojokrom Takwa, Kojokrom Manso, and Tema Mpakada. We have extended the rural telephony network to more areas than any other government since 1992. We have increased the network from 78 sites to 1,008 sites. We have constructed more fish landing sites than any other government. Exim, Dix Cove, Moree, Mumford, Teshi, Keta, Osu, Ekumfi, and Mfansiman. Ladies and gentlemen, our government has constructed more sports facilities than any other government since 1992. We have completed 6 new multi-purpose sports stadia and 4 ongoing in each of the 10 regions, 10 old regions. We completed the University of Ghana Stadium in Legon, built more infrastructure and implemented more development policies in the Zongo communities than any other government since '92. The Zongo Development Fund has completed over 200 infrastructure projects in Zongo communities.
I want to express my sincere appreciation to the party's rank and file for their discipline and hard work in organizing the widely acclaimed, peaceful, and transparent presidential and parliamentary primaries. I commend your efforts, and I expect all parliamentary candidates and party executives to take immediate action by reaching out to all unsuccessful aspirants and form formidable constituency campaign teams to guarantee our party retains its majority in the 10th Parliament. Failure to do so is not an option. It is time to put aside all differences and come together. Let us bridge every gap, heal every wound, and work together with a renewed passion for victory.